Hello everyone, today I'm going to open this package. This was delivered today by J&T. This package was ordered online through Shopee. Got my knife right here, so I'm gonna cut this package open. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you notice, there's a drawing of the angle grinder stand, and this is how to assemble it. Now let me open the box. This is everything that's inside the package, and of course it comes with a manual. This is the plastic guard, the handle, some bolts and nuts, and some accessories. And this is the part that holds the grinder. This is the base. Alright, so this is what holds the piece all together. Right, once again, let's take a look at the bolts and accessories that come with the package. It also includes plastic washers. First, we need to loosen up this bolt. There's two of them. Alright, so this is where you mount it. When you place the bolt back, one on each sides. And don't forget the nuts. Okay, so next I'm going to attach this by removing the bolt first, and it has a plastic washer. So you need to install it this way. This is the very piece that holds the angle grinder in place. If you notice, you can rotate it 360 degrees. Install the other one to the opposite side. And these two pieces right here are very important. This allows you to adjust the alignment of the angle grinder. So the tall one goes to the top, while the short one, oh, I'm sorry, it's the other way around. So short one goes to the top and the longer one goes to the bottom. Alright, so here are the two bolts and plastic washers. And these are the nuts. Oh, you have to install it this way. Don't forget to fasten the nuts because that will lock the grinder. And now it's time to install the plastic handle. Okay, so this is almost finished. Now it's time to install the plastic guard. So there's a small bolt right here. You just have to loosen it. Okay, now I'm going to install the Bosch angle grinder. So first you remove the plastic cover away from the tool and you tighten up this bolt. Alright, do the same thing to the other bolt. Okay, and this bolt allows you to adjust the alignment, like what I said earlier. Okay, you can tighten it with an Allen wrench. Make sure it's properly angled. And you can put the cover back in place. Alright, so it's already assembled. Now it's time to cut some piece of steel. Okay, this is a rebar. Gonna lock it in place Now let's cut it. It's actually very stable. And it easily cuts into the rebar. Now it's time to cut an angle bar. Okay, it wouldn't cut through the angle bar because the blade is too short for the piece that I'm cutting. Luckily, you can just do it that way.